Step into the extraordinary world of SINOMACH, where engineering brilliance meets manufacturing mastery. At SINOMACH, we're not just players in the industry, we're trailblazers. Since 1961, we've been pushing boundaries through visionary collaborations with international giants like Komatsu, and have proudly become the first Chinese construction machinery manufacturer to infuse global technology into our operations. The world is our playground, and our products have journeyed to over 100 countries and regions, leaving their mark wherever they go. Spanning a sprawling 175,512 square meters of factory floor space, our skilled team of 1,110 individuals weaves magic into every creation. Our 12 types of processing centers and 150 sets of universal processing equipment provide us with a strong capacity for machine processing. Our in-house heat treatment production line and painting line are equipped to meet the heat treatment and painting needs of our main products while saving on logistics costs and improving efficiency. At SINOMACH, we provide a 13-month quality warranty with most of the major parts. Need assistance? Our support is just a click away with 24-hour online remote guidance and offline on-site collaboration. Our team is the heartbeat of SINOMACH's success story. As a national high-tech enterprise, we house a state-of-the-art technology center and a formidable team of experienced professionals, possessing a profound capacity for innovation and independent research and development. Empowering progress, engineering excellence.